Hey guys!
Hello,
I'm with
hello.
Claire. Hello, mic test. So we're now going to check the house, and it's actually Claire's first time again to see a lot of improvement. So I'm gonna pass the mic to Claire. Look guys, okay, let's
Let's go
tour.
inside.
Let's go inside. Nabangag galing diri dayo. So as you can see, nabangag na ang nabangag sa na siya metal dai. Oh, na AC.
Yeah.
Di ba na siya AC dai. And then, so may lain. Inside sila bangag na. Oh, yes. What's with this one? Guys, Q&A?
Muna siya, electric cable ayun dito sa junction box.
Ay, perfect.
Para di makita ang
Mga wiring.
mga wiring.
So, walay wirings na rin siya.
Yes.
So, everything it will be under the ground. So, guys, this
Dito
is...
sa kwarto ko.
Dito tayo sa place. Natulog. So, may natulog, guys.
May natulog, na-disturbo.
Na-disturbo na siya. Dali lang to sa master's bedroom, guys. Okay, another AC. As you can see. And then, Patrick's walk-in closet. Diba?
Kung asa kong mess.
Diba? Diba? You can see, oh, naman siya i-install dahil. Perfect. Let us change.
Dito ang office.
The office, you can see. So, ngayon, bigyan na siya kabuluhan na. So, pwede na, mas nindot na siya dito tambay. Oh. Diba? Perfect. Tapos sa pindura. Hello? An ASMR. This is a room tour, guys. So, ASMR, guys. Dito tayo. Dito yung na-disturb yung guy. And diba, as you can see, kikita nyo, maraming rolyo. Yes. And then, next to that, siyan kami natulog. Pero, you know, next to this will be the lounge. You know, you see the kitchen? It's a kitchen, guys. You see? Yung test na ko, pwede tawag ASMR. As you can see, guys.
Mga wire.
Wires. The spaghetti wires.
But that's gonna be hidden.
Ay, kuan man yun, diba? Like, this one will be the...
Junction box.
Yeah. So you can see, daming wire. And then this one, it's gonna be storage. Storage room. And then
The laundry.
the laundry area. And then the public CR.
Public mark na sa mall.
Diba? This
The
public CR, guys. As you can see, kinabangan mo siya ng karan. Ay,
Magpatang tagbata.
yes, diba? Kay kasosyalan, kakat-katan, dapat ay bathtub.
Kaya mag-wine-wine.
Correct. Diba? The shower room is there, guys. Di na ko manha kay. Kita nyo na. Diba? And then next here, papasukin natin ang second house. Bubalabugin natin sila.
Sige, gawin ko tatig.
Going outside.
It's very messy.
It's messy pa, guys. But next time that you have an update to this, it will be full of surprises. So, ayan. This is the exterior of the house. You know, the 3-point wide angle. So, ito yung not elevated. This time, it's elevated. Ay, perfect, diba? Unsa na siya? Oh, diba? Basil. And as you can see, kabalo ba ka nga, ay, passion fruit, diba? Perfect. Pero kakusubin ni mukha tayo.
No, kape. Amo gitoyo.
So, pero diri nga part. So, as you can see also, natay ko ang diri, piece of wifi.
The Wi-Fi box.
Diba? The Wi-Fi box. And then, natay mini pool diri, Wow, ha. Naulaw pa jud. Naulaw pa jud. Ay. And then,
Sa gawa sa akin, pa extension.
diba? As you can see here. And then, extension, guys. Dito talaga yung aming, yung gate. Ang gate na to ay gagawin pa namin 40 feet. And pasok kayo
Sa labas.
sa labas. Ayan na. So ayan. 'Di ba? Ang main talaga namin na flower is kalamunggay. 'Di ba? Ito na 'yan, kalamunggay, 'di ba? Ang ganda. So, as you can see, andito pa talaga the extensions. Wire. And you can see, ang ganda talaga ng bulaklak nila dito. Healthy. So, next to that, the neighborhood, which will be neighbors next time. As you can see, guys, the extension. So, what are the plans sa extensions? Kalamunggay na po. Di ba, nagsugod na sila tanong dire, guys. So, padong na siya dito.
Tubo na kung saan yun.
Nindot mag-banana leaf mo din.
Sumula itong silingan.
Sa mga yung mga silingan, gusto niyo mag-room tour silang balay. So guys, as you can see next time, next update na ko ani is fully furnished na dapat ang balay.
Na nakatulog.
Yes.
Dala nakatulog.
Puhon. Then,
Kwarto.
di ba, sa kwarto nga gihatag ni Patrick Sako. Then, you can see, mag-room tour dito sa next house. Macy's.
Mare, anong ulam mo,
Mare. Ano bang ating i-room tour dyan? Ref tour? Okay, ito na yung main gate. But change pa yan to...
Princess,
And ito yung Doberman nila. Yes, ang
you
breed...
wanna say hi?
Yes. Do you wanna say hi? Say hi to the vlog. Oh, amang siya, guys. So, she is...
Purto.
So, mga tong vlog, guys. Next time, kung nagid siya, full vlog nagid siya. But for now, mo pa rin siya update as of the moment.
Manganta sa amin.
So, manganta na meron. Bulabugo na mo ng silingan. Good luck. And that's it. Bye-bye. This is Miss Cynthia.